Hi guys, welcome. So in today's video, we are going to cover the DevOps engineer roles and responsibility and the roadmap to become a DevOps engineer. But before starting this video, I would like to add something here. See, it is not necessary that every organization has a specific role called DevOps engineer. Usually, nowadays I'm seeing like in many organization, because of the agile methodology, many developers who are working on some specific task, they themselves are deploying the application, they themselves are deploying the code. So it's not a role specific, but in some organization, if the project is like an enterprise level project and 100, 200 people are working on a specific project, then yeah, there is a possibility that they have a specific team called DevOps engineer, front-end developer team, back-end developer team. In many organizations, they do follow this role specific work. Okay, even if you want to be a DevOps engineer or if you are a developer, then at least you should know what a DevOps engineer do and how you can become a DevOps engineer. You have to visualize this role. Then you need to visualize it as once the development is done, once the testing is done, when it comes to the deployment, they are the one, that is the team who take care of the deployment of that product. अब समझ लो एक चीज, they have a very crucial role. ठीक है, if somebody who has less interest in development of application, development part, if they have less interest, though this one of my favorite area or where I want to see myself, I'm personally talking about myself, that DevOps is something I would love to. I am also doing that thing, okay, in my project. I have also deployed the project. So I know that is really interesting thing, okay. So if you are looking for a career जहाँ पे आपको ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं खपाना है डेवलपमेंट में, रेस्ट एपीआई लिखने में और फ्रंट एंड और बैक एंड डेवलपमेंट, तो ये करियर ऑप्शन इट्स रियली गुड. नाउ टू गो इनटू दिस स्पेसिफिक करियर ऑप्शन, व्हाट इज द रोड मैप, लेट्स कवर इट नाउ. Now, to become a DevOps engineer, first thing first, you need to have at least one programming language. You need to have a knowledge on at least one programming language and scripting language. समझ रहे हो? Point number 2, एक्सपीरियंस विद द टूल ऑफ कॉन्टिन्यूअस इंटीग्रेशन एंड डिलीवरी. वो कौन से टूल है? एज आई सेड, जेनकिन का नाम सुना है फ्रेशर के लिए, बाकियों ने तो सुना ही होगा. तो CI/CD पाइपलाइन, ठीक है, एक बार जेनकिन सर्च करोगे तो ये टूल की यू शुड हैव दैट नॉलेज ऑफ व्हाट इज जेनकिन्स, व्हाट इज CI/CD पाइपलाइन. यू नीड टू हैव अ नॉलेज ऑन गिटलैब. तो ऐसे टूल्स का यू शुड हैव अ नॉलेज, यू शुड हैव अ गुड नॉलेज ऑन व्हाट इज गिटलैब, व्हाट इज जेनकिन, CI/CD पाइपलाइन क्या होती है, बिकॉज दैट टूल वी यूज फॉर आवर डिप्लॉयमेंट प्रोसेस. Now, point number 3 is knowledge on cloud platform. Nowadays, each and every project, okay, enterprise application, web application, we are moving it to cloud.
Okay, here's an announcement for those who are looking for a job guarantee course. Guys, a lot of courses are there in the market which guarantee job. But if you see the complex terms and conditions which make it impossible to get the guaranteed job. Right. iNeuron's robust curriculum assures that even if you complete just above 40% of each module, and submit your assessments and project, the job guarantee will cover you. Are you hearing the news about mass layoff, people being fired on masses across all major tech companies? Well, it is no surprise that there is a recession coming up. However, that does not mean jobs are not available. They are, but just for highly skilled candidate. iNeuron brings to you 3 super affordable job guarantee program where upon completion of the program, you will be given interview opportunity until you crack the interview. All of these program comes with parallel internship where you will be working on live industry project. Now the course features are end-to-end placement guarantee,
live classes, industry leaders as mentors are from top companies like Google, Amazon, PayPal, LinkedIn, Walmart.
12 hours doubt support, daily via chat or emails, 50 plus live projects via internship, access to iNeuron lab so you don't need a new PC, unlimited interview opportunity, guaranteed job, else 100% refund. Realistic terms and condition of job guarantee. So here are the courses which I have mentioned: full stack data science master course, full stack web development course, and the third is backend development in Java using Spring. Many candidates have been placed via iNeuron. To view, please check their Hall of Fame. All the links are there in the description. Please go ahead and check it out.
Now, if we are moving it to cloud, मतलब we are deploying every product into cloud. अब जब deployment ही cloud पे हो रही है, then you should have a good knowledge on cloud platform. It could be anything. AWS, Google Cloud Platform या फिर Azure, कुछ भी ले लो, ठीक है. my first choice would be always AWS because आप metrics उठा के देख लो. Okay, most of the company in this world are migrating to AWS. So if you are putting this in your bucket list to learn this cloud technology, then it's really well and good. Now let's talk about point number 4, knowledge on containerization tool. अब containerization tool क्या है? ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे डेप्थ में नहीं बताऊंगी. I'm not going to talk about in detail, but Docker, Kubernetes, मतलब you should know what it is. Okay, and if you are having a good experience on like with this tool, then it's really good and good to go. ज़्यादा नहीं है, you can take any course from the internet. Everything is free of cost. बस आप search करो, you are one step away, one search away, you can learn this technology. It's not tough enough. Okay, now point number 5, understanding the infrastructure as a code. ठीक है, अब these people are taking care of our infrastructure. समझ रहे हो? तो infrastructure as a code क्या है? You should have a good knowledge on tools such as Terraform. मैं ये tools के नाम बताते जाती हूँ, तो you can keep it in your mind and you can Google it out. You can take courses on that tool. और या तो आप डायरेक्ट DevOps का कोर्स उठा लो, यू कैन लर्न इट वेरी वेल. तो टेराफॉर्म, क्लाउड फॉर्मेशन, ओके, दीज आर द टूल टू ऑटोमेट द प्रोविजनिंग एंड मैनेजमेंट ऑफ इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है, नाउ पॉइंट नंबर 6, स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स. ये सिर्फ DevOps के लिए नहीं है, सबके लिए है. ठीक है, आई इग्नोर दिस. तो और पॉइंट नंबर 7, I would add it here, good communication skills. ये भी सबके लिए है, सिर्फ DevOps के लिए नहीं है, because they are the person who are collaborating with not only development team, testing team और operations team. ये सबको साथ लेके चलते हैं, इनकी बातचीत सबसे होती है. समझ रहे हो बात को? Now, last but not the least, the last point is continuous learning or improving yourself with the latest tech stack. वो चीज़ नहीं किया ना, wherever field you are, you cannot improve yourself, you cannot grow in your career. So continuous improvement, continuous growth होना चाहिए learning में. Why? Because the nowadays tech stack are moving so fast, tech stack are evolving so fast. समझ रहे हो बात को? तो you need to be very updated enough so that you should not face challenge in future अपनी job को लेके और anything. Okay, so this is all about today's video about what a DevOps engineer do and how you can become a DevOps engineer. So this is not only for whoever want to become a DevOps engineer, but this is for everybody, because some or other day any developer who is presently working on front end, back end, एक time आएगा when you might have to work on you might get tasked to deploy the product. ठीक है, because as I mentioned earlier, many organizations, they do not have a specific team for DevOps. Developers are responsible to deploy their product. ठीक है, तो this is not role specific. Everybody should have a knowledge on DevOps. But there are some organization where there are specific role for DevOps. So उनके लिए भी है और इनके लिए भी है, सबके लिए है. ये ऐसी field है, सबको ही सीखना पड़ेगा. So this is all about today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updated with the trending tech and how you can grow your career, or I'll come up with more and more interesting videos. And that's all for today's video. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.